So hello class, let's discuss about the revision of the first chapter class 10 chemistry. The chapter name is chemical reactions and equations. So let's discuss about the some revisionary part of the same chapter, and we'll discuss about the some questions given in the book, and maybe possible the time will remain. We'll discuss about some activities also. We'll discuss about some activities also. So first question is given here, page number 6. First question is, why should a magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning in a air? Because there is a magnesium oxide on the surface of magnesium that is actually prevent the burning of magnesium. So magnesium ribbon must be cleaned before the burning. That will be the answer. Write the balance equation for the following chemical reactions, and the reactions are hydrogen plus chlorine gives out some hydrogen chloride. So balance reaction is H2. Hydrogen with chlorine gives out hydrogen chloride. Balance chemical reaction. Barium chloride with barium sulfate gives out barium sulfate. Sorry, barium chloride with aluminium sulfate gives out barium sulfate plus aluminium chloride. So reaction will be this is the double displacement reaction, a precipitation reaction. So that will be the answer. You can balance the reaction. You can balance the reaction by changing AlCl3, AlCl3, and there is a 2Al. So if I put here 2, so chlorine will be 6. Then we have to put here, I think, 3. Anyone can balance the equation? Anyone can balance this equation? What should I use here? 2 or 4? Let's see. Heat and trial method. So 3 to the 6, but barium will be 3, so there must be 3. I think now the reaction is balanced. So that this is called a balanced equation. Sodium with water to gives out sodium hydroxide with hydrogen. Sodium with water. Sodium metal added in water gives out sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas coming out. You can balance the reaction again. What should be the reaction? 2, 2, and 2. The reaction is balanced, I think. The reaction is balanced. Next question is, write a balanced chemical equation with the state symbols for the following reaction. State symbols means you have to be mentioned the given substance are solid, liquids, or aqueous. That is called state symbols. For example, solution of barium chloride again, barium chloride and sodium sulfate in water react to give insoluble barium sulfate, that should be a solid, and solution of sodium chloride, that will be aqueous. So how to write the equation in a state form? Sodium solution of barium chloride. Solution always should be mentioned by aqueous symbol, plus solution of sodium sulfate. Solution of sodium sulfate. When these two things mix together, they form a barium sulfate solid, insoluble substance called solid, and solution of sodium chloride, that should be aqueous. Sodium chloride, the reaction should be balanced by putting 2 before NaCl. So 2NaCl. I think reaction is balanced. This is all about the questions given at the page number 6. Next question is given on the page number 10, and the question is a solution of substance X is used for white washing. Name the substance X. This question is many times asked in the board examination. Question on the page number 10. They asked this question in 3 marks. A solution of substance X is used for whitewashing. Name the substance X and write its formula. Write the reaction of the substance X named in question first above with water. So let's discuss about the question. Let's discuss about the question. A solution of substance X is used for whitewashing. For whitewashing, we are actually using calcium hydroxide aqueous. This substance is called lime water, which is used for whitewashing. Used for whitewashing. Is it true? Very good. How this calcium hydroxide is obtained? It can be obtained by calcium oxide with water. When lime dissolved in water, that will give out calcium hydroxide. So solution of calcium oxide is used for whitewashing. So what will be the substance X? Substance X will be calcium. Substance X will be calcium. And calcium oxide. Look at all the reactions. Look at all the reaction and read again. Name the substance X. A solution of substance X is used for whitewashing. This is substance X. Because its solution in water producing calcium hydroxide, which is used for whitewashing. So X must be calcium oxide. Name the substance X. Calcium oxide, also known as quicklime. Write this formula CaO. Write the reaction of the substance X. That reaction. Okay, the question is over. Why is the amount of gas collected in one of the test tube in activity 1.7 double of the amount of collected in the other? Name this gas. The gas is hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen and oxygen. Actually, in the electrolytic decomposition of the water, hydrogen produced at the cathode, oxygen produced at the anode, and the volume of hydrogen gas collected over the water in the tube is double of the volume of the oxygen gas produced in the tube at anode. So why the volume of the gas is doubled? The question is, why is the amount of gas collected is doubled? Anyone having the reason? Anyone? Actually, class, on decomposition, when we passing electricity through the water, the decomposition of water takes place, and by the decomposition, 4 water molecules, look at the value, 4 water molecules decompose to produce 2 hydrogen molecules gas and produce 1 oxygen molecule gas. 1 oxygen molecule gas. And according to the Bohr concept given in class 9th level, the number of particles of the gas is responsible for the volume of the gas. The number of particles of the gas will be responsible for the volume of the gas. And look at the reactions. Look at the reaction that will prove how the volumes are actually becomes double. Look at the reaction. On passing electricity, this reaction is happened. and passing electricity, this reaction is actually occur. Water break down into H plus and OH minus. Fine. One water break down into one H plus and one OH minus. But actually, what will happen at cathode? Cathode means negative terminal of the electrolytic cell. The cell used for this purpose is called electrolytic cell, and having negative charge means cathode. Cathode H plus having positive charge migrated towards cathode, and we have like look at the process. Actually, at cathode, 2H plus, because one hydrogen molecule required at least 2 atoms. Now, one hydrogen molecule required 2 atoms. That is called diatomic molecule. Given in class 9th again, diatomic molecule. So for diatomic, 2H plus required, and 2H plus charge is actually balanced by electrons. Electrons are accepted by H plus to produce hydrogen gas. Where? At cathode. How many H plus required to produce one hydrogen gas? 2H plus. Okay. See at the anode. This is very important. Look at the process. Actually, 4OH minus combine together to produce one oxygen molecule, two water molecules, and 4 electrons are released. Now look at the process, the overall process. To produce one oxygen, how many OH minus required? 4. One OH minus from one water, therefore 4 OH minus from 4 water molecules, and the reaction is like this. Actual reaction is like this. 4 water gives out 2 hydrogen plus 1 oxygen plus 2 water molecules again produced in the product. But reaction is always simplified. Reaction is always simplified in chemistry. So we just cancel 2 water molecule from the side of product to from the side of reactant, and that will happen. What you can see, 2 water molecules gives out 2 hydrogen molecules and 1 oxygen molecules. According to mole concept theory given in class 9th level, more particles, more gaseous balloon. More particles, more gaseous balloon. Hydrogens are the double in the number of oxygen. Hydrogens are the double in the number of oxygen, and that is the reason why hydrogen having a double balloon than a oxygen gas at different electrode. This is all about the reaction. This is all about the reaction. How the electrolytic decomposition takes place. What you learned, sir? Just added H plus, water, passing current, hydrogen and oxygen at cathode and anode, respectively done. But this is the process. How actually the process occur? How actually the process occur? How we got the double balloon of hydrogen? Because of the decomposition of 2 water molecules simultaneously to give out 1 oxygen molecule. This reaction is really important because all those who actually involved in the biological section also, biology, the same reaction given also in a biology. Where photosynthesis, light reaction, grana, halokites, chlorophyll, and so many more things. I think biology teacher will explain all the things, or maybe not. Because this is all about the how hydrogen gas, the one of the gas produced at cathode is a double in amount than oxygen. Let's move towards the next question, which is given on the page number 13. And the question is, why does the color of copper sulfate solution changes when an iron nail is dipped in it? Actually, iron nail displaced the copper from the copper sulfate solution and become a light green color. The solution converted into light green color because of high reactivity of iron, which can displace copper from the solution. The color has been changed. Give an example of double displacement of reaction other than the one given in activity 1.1. In activity 1.1, give any other reaction. You can take any reaction. There are actually many reactions I explained already. You can take potassium iodide with lead nitrate will produce lead iodide yellow in precipitate. This is not given in activity. This is not given in activity. So you can select or take many other reactions already taught in your section. Identify the substances that are oxidized and the substances that are reduced in the following reactions. Page number 13. Sodium with oxygen, sodium oxide. Sodium oxidizes into sodium oxide. Oxygen reduces into sodium oxide. Oxygen act like a oxidizing agent. Sodium act like a reducing agent. In second case, copper oxide hydrogen gives out copper and hydro as water molecule. Copper oxide reduces into copper and hydrogen oxidizes into water. Copper oxide known as oxidizing agent, hydrogen known as reducing agent. This is all about the questions given in the text called in-text questions. Now moving towards the exercise question, let's discuss about some question given. Which of the statements about reaction below are incorrect? Lead oxide, the reaction is lead oxide plus carbon plus lead plus carbon dioxide. This is the reaction. This is the reaction. Lead oxide with carbon. So you can see from the reaction, carbon reduces lead oxide into lead. So carbon called reducing agent. Now move towards the options given. Lead is getting reduced. Lead is getting reduced. No. Carbon dioxide is getting oxidized. No. Carbon is getting oxidized. Yes. Carbon is getting oxidized into CO2. The third option is correct. Lead oxide is getting reduced. Yes. That is also true. So C and D true. C and D true. Is there any option? Is there any option? Lead is getting reduced. Okay, fine. This is also true, no? Lead is also lead oxide reduced to lead by carbon, where lead is reduced. Lead is reduced. Option A also correct. So which one will be the correct option? First A and B, second A and C, third A and B, C, or fourth all? Which option will be correct? Lead is getting reduced, correct. Carbon dioxide is getting oxidized, not correct. कुछ भी लिखते हैं सब. Carbon is getting oxidized, correct. Lead oxide is getting reduced. Anyone? Which option? Option number second, A and C, exactly. A and C is correct. Option number second. Next question, ferric oxide with aluminium gives out aluminium oxide plus ferric iron. This is called thermite process. This is called thermite process. Mention above the reaction. This reaction is called thermite process. Very useful. The above reaction is an example of combination. No. Aluminium actually displaced iron from the compound. So this is called double displacement. No. Decomposition. No. Displacement. Yes. This is called displacement reaction. Aluminium displaced iron from the compound. What happens when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to iron fillings. Pick the correct answer. Actually, hydrochloric acid react with iron fillings. Iron is active metal. Hydrogen gas must be produced. So look at the options. Hydrogen gas and iron chloride are produced. Option A correct. Next question. What is a balanced chemical equation? Why should chemical equation be balanced? In class 9th, one law is given that is called law of mass of conservation. So to verify, to follow law of mass of conservation, the number of atoms from the reactant side must be equal to the number of atoms in the product side. And this is the reason why we are actually going to balance the equations. Translate following statements into chemical equations and then balance them. You have to be write the balance equation actually. The questions are very easy. Attempt your own. All question 5 and 6. What does one mean by exothermic and endothermic reaction? Exothermic means in overall reaction, when heat is released out, when heat is released out in an overall reaction, the reaction is said to be exothermic. And in overall reaction, if heat is absorbed, this is called endothermic reaction. This is called endothermic reaction. You can also compare these reactions on the basis of if in the reactant side, the heat of reactant side, if heat of reactant side is greater than the heat of product side. Listen one more time. Heat of reactant side is greater than the heat of product side. The reaction is said to be endothermic. The reaction is said to be endothermic. If the heat of product side is greater than the heat of reactant side, the reaction is said to be exothermic. This is also a definition of exothermic and endothermic. Why is respiration considered an exothermic reaction? Because at the end of the reaction of respiration process, the heat energy produced, which is stored in the form of ATP molecules. So due to release of heat energy by the oxidation of glucose molecules, the reaction is considered as exothermic. Other questions you should attempt your own. And if there is a problem, we'll discuss after exam. Okay, this is all about this lecture. You can see if there will be any other problem, let's discuss about that.